ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे, तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। तो क्या मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है, ख्वाब तुम या कोई हकीकत, कौन हो तुम बतलाओ। देर से कितनी दूर खड़ी हो और करीब आ जाओ। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। ओ हो दिल देके देखो, दिल देके देखो, दिल देके देखो जी। दिल लेने वालों दिल देना सीखो जी। तुम सा नहीं देखा, तुम सा नहीं देखा। उड़ जब जब जुल्फे तेरी, उड़ जब जब जुल्फे तेरी, कवारियों का दिल मचले, कवारियों का दिल मचले जिंद मेरी है। शाम ढले खिड़की तले, तुम सीटी बजाना छोड़ दो।
Happy birthday to you, Prerna. Have a wonderful 35th birthday and have a great year ahead. My blessings for you always, lots of love for you. You're the best thing that happened to me along with Priyanka. Continue to do the good that you do and keep smiling as always. Spread the cheer. Love you to the moon and back, like you say.
Hi Prerna, many happy returns of the day.
I will sing the happy birthday song for you.
Yeah, especially for you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Prerna. Happy birthday to you.
From old friends and new, from young hearts and true, may good love go with you and happiness too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Prerna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Prerna. God bless you, and we bless you with lots and lots of our blessings. May the good Lord give you all that you wish.
Lots of blessings from both of us, and may you progress and in life and achieve all that you want to. God bless you.
Have a wonderful day and a great year ahead.
Yes. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Hi Prerna, how are you? Have many happy returns of the 35th birthday. Have a great day. Enjoy. We are enjoying here. 35 years is, what would I say? Your age is actually 18 with 17 years of experience. Chalo, have a good day. God bless.
Wish you a very happy 35th birthday, Prerna. If it were not for Corona, we could have celebrated together. Anyways, have a great day. And I should tell you that there is not a single day when we don't think about you. God bless you, my dear.
Hi Prerna, wish you a very happy birthday. It's the 35th, a big one. I know these are difficult times and you cannot enjoy with your friends or have a party. But anyway, you have to make the best use of everything. What I'm going to do is going to cook a nice fish curry and send you a picture. Hopefully you can have a virtual dinner, cook yourself a little bit of rice and have a mountain of rice and put the fish curry and eat. That's the only thing I can suggest. Hope you have a wonderful time on your own. Have a few drinks. God bless you and wish you all the best. May God bless you with health, wealth and prosperity and enjoy yourself. Bye.
Hi Prerna, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ponto. Wish you all the love and happiness and hope you have a super birthday. We wish
We miss you.
and we wish we were there with you to celebrate. So go out on the have a night on the town on us and have a super birthday.
We love you.
Love you. Bye.
So hi Prerna, wish you a very happy birthday. Welcome to your 35th year and welcome to the good years of your life now. And trust me when I say it, like you are really going to start enjoying your life even more than you did already. We are definitely going to be celebrating your birthday because we don't need a reason to celebrate. But just know that we're celebrating all the love and everything that we want to give you. We love you a lot, and even though you're far away from us, we're constantly thinking about you. So all our good energies to you, and hope you have a great year ahead. Hope all your dreams come true, and I hope we get to see you soon as well. Love you lots, and have a great birthday. Birthdays are meant to be celebrated in style and in bigness, so just have a great birthday. Bye bye.
So I've heard that at 35 you get older and wiser, but older is something that does not exist in your gene pool. So I guess you'll get younger, cooler, hotter, and more happening. Happy birthday, Doc.
Many happy returns of the day. Ponto, Prerna, the greatest.
You are missing Doctor. Doctor's the latest addition to
Yes.
Prerna's many names.
You're a great public servant. And you have a very long way to go. So carry on, keep calm, and do your best in everything that you do best. And all our best wishes with you always. So have a fantabulous birthday and a kick-ass celebration to support that.
Hey Prerna, just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a lovely day tomorrow. And I was really hoping to see you sometime over the next coming weeks, but hopefully soon. And then we can really celebrate your birthday. Miss you a lot. Love you. And my camera angles are not as good as the final director of this video because my selfie skills suck.
Birthday Ponto, hope you have a great day and amazing year ahead.
Stay safe and wishing you best of luck in all your future endeavors.
Bye.
Yo Pons, it's just a number. काम 35 है, काम धाम 35 है. Happy birthday, 100% straight from the heart, not 50-50, okay? Have a good one, girl.
Prerna, wishing you very happy birthday. God bless you. And if you were around in Avanti, we would have danced for you on the Koi Mil Gaya song for sure. Happy birthday. Have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Prerna.
Happy birthday, Prerna.
Have a good one.
Happy 35.
Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Prerna.
Happy 35th.
Enjoy your day. Have a good year ahead.
Drink a lot.
Have lafas from our
Happy
side.
birthday. You're turning 35 and I'm hoping I get to see you. I doubt this year, but I'm hoping I get to see you soon next year. And I hope you come here, it'll be safer. But have fun, enjoy yourself, have a blast. Make the most of it at home. You're getting buddhi ideas from behind. So have fun, have a blast.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Prerna. I hope you have a nice day and enjoy like you always do. And please don't throw up this time.
And have Bud Light from my side. Take care.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Prerna. I'm so happy to have met you, although I've only known you for a little while. I think I've almost known you for a lifetime. From being a fellow South Indian and a foodie, you're like my guinea pig to try all my recipes out. And I love you. I hope you have a fantastic birthday. I can't wait to see you soon, celebrate with you, maybe bring you a nice dessert and have a glass of whiskey. Take care. Cheers.
To my Bollywood queen, who has dragged me to so many pointless lexicon nights, here's to many, many, many more. Happy birthday to you. Have a good one.
Happy birthday, my birthday twin. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Prerna. It's going to be a fantastic year and many more to come. Have fun and stay happy.
Happy birthday, Prerna. I hope you drink lots of wine and there's lots of dancing, Bollywood dancing, in your new year. Happy 35th birthday. Talk to you soon. Bye.